Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. First, we need to wrap the function in here. So we have x squared minus 1. The graph should be like this. So we have y in here, s in here, and origin in here. This is about x squared minus 1. The next one, s is greater than 0. So they want to carry about this area in here. Y is smaller than or equal to 0. That's this area in here. So we can create the bounds in here. So y is smaller than or equal to 0. So we put in here. And this value is above than the curve. So if we look on the graph, we can find the intersection between x squared minus 1 and the number 0 in here. So we can find the value of the intersection in here. So you got about x squared equal to number 1. So we can find the value in here is about x equal to number 1. We don't need to go to the negative. Why? Because s is greater than or equal to number 0 in here. So this is about number 1. And now we can find the bound of this one. That should be about s is smaller than or equal to number 1 and bigger than number 0 in here. And the area we need to concentrate, that should be in this one. Now we can put the bounds in these double integrals in here. I want to change dy go this one up, ds will go later. So we have y that should be from 0 to x squared minus 1. This one you go about from 0 to 1. Next, this is about y. So x will be the number, y will be variable. So you got about x squared y minus y squared over 2. And we put the bounds in here, x squared minus 1. And number 0 in here, dx. So we put this one in here and here. So we need to expand this one. Negative x squared, negative, negative, and we have number 2 divided by 2. So you got about positive x squared in here, so they will cancel. And now we have negative 1 over 2. dx, and now we get the final answer. We put number 1 and number 0 in here. So you got about negative 3 over 5. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.